Grammar tutorials, academic writing, cause and effect on the topic of marine pollution. The text on the right provides a short description of the causes and effects of marine pollution. There are a number of other ways of writing about the topic. This text uses a variety of cause and effect terms and structures. In the following screens, we will look at them in detail. As the human race has taken very little care of our environment, many types of pollution are threatening our planet, affecting the air, land and water.
Note that as precedes the cause, which is followed by a comma and then the effect.
One particular form of water pollution is marine pollution. There are a great many sources of sea and coastal pollution. These include nutrients, sediments, disease-carrying pathogens, persistent toxins such as PCBs, heavy metals and DDT, and thermal changes. I will now look in turn at the causes and effects of each of these threats to marine life.
This is an overview statement, although it does not mention sources of pollution.
About half of the increased level of nutrients in the marine environment is caused by sewage making its way out into the sea.
Is caused by is used to link the effect and the cause.
The rest is the result of runoff from forestry, farming and other land use, along with airborne nitrogen oxides from power plants, cars, etc. These nutrients feed algal blooms in coastal waters.
Is the result of links the effect with the cause.
Eventually, as decomposing algae takes oxygen from the water, the death of marine life results.
Note that as precedes the cause, which is followed by a comma and then the effect.
Another source of marine pollution is from sediment, caused by erosion from mining, forestry and farming, and also from coastal dredging and mining.
Here the effect is followed by a comma and the term caused by and the cause.
High sediment levels lead to cloudy water, therefore impeding photosynthesis below the surface waters and clogging the gills of fish.
Lead to is used to connect the cause with the effect. Thirdly,
due to runoff from sewerage and livestock, pathogens can contaminate coastal swimming areas and seafood, leading to the spreading of cholera, typhoid and other diseases.
In this sentence, two cause-effect relationships are mentioned. In the first, due to precedes the cause which is followed by a comma and the effect. In the second, the effect becomes the cause which is followed by a comma, then leading to and the effect.
Contamination in seafood, along with disease in coastal marine life, is also due to persistent toxins, heavy metals, chemicals, pesticides, etc.
Is also due to is used to connect the effect with the cause.
High toxin levels in coastal waters are caused by industrial and household discharge, pesticides and seepage from landfills, which make their way to the sea.
Are caused by is used to connect the effect with the cause.
And finally, thermal changes in coastal waters brought about by cooling water power and industrial plants can result in the killing off of corals and other temperature-sensitive species and displace other marine life.
There are two cause-effect statements. The first uses brought about by followed by the cause to provide extra information about the effect at the beginning, thermal changes. In the second, can result in links back to thermal changes, which becomes the cause of the effect at the end of the sentence.
In conclusion, human activity has caused great changes in the planet's marine environment.
Has cause is used to connect the cause with the effect.
As a result of these changes, many creatures and organisms that exist in this environment have been damaged or destroyed.
As a result of goes in front of the cause, which is followed by a comma and then the effect.
On account of greed and indifference, the human race could soon lose one of its most valued resources, the Earth's marine environment.
On account of goes before the cause, which is followed by a comma and the effect.
Since our recent generations have been the greatest destroyers of the planet's environment, it is our duty to act now in order to create a better and more sustainable planet for future generations.
Since precedes the cause, followed by a comma and the effect.